Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into something really exciting, a massive structural shift happening right now in artificial intelligence. We're talking about a paradigm shift that completely redefines where AI lives, who controls it, and, most importantly, how it respects your data. Let's get right into Linkspreed's local AI and the dawn of Web 4.
So, where exactly do your AI conversations go? Think about the uncomfortable reality of our current internet. Whenever you use standard AI tools to draft a private work email or ask a sensitive question, every keystroke is packaged up and sent miles away to distant, centralized servers. You're basically handing your data over to a black box. You just have to cross your fingers and trust that the company on the other end is securing it and definitely not training future models on your personal info. It's a massive compromise we've kind of all just accepted as the cost of using AI. But what if that completely changed?
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1. Shattering the cloud barrier.
Right now, one company is aggressively challenging that Silicon Valley status quo we just talked about. Linkspreed has officially announced the launch of their new platform, MLM.Linkspreed.com. And listen, this isn't just another website. It's a high-performance, on-device AI chatbot platform that fundamentally changes the rules of engagement. By releasing this, Linkspreed is introducing a tool designed to completely strip away the privacy concerns and latency issues we've come to accept with the cloud. They are literally moving the processing power directly to your fingertips.
The contrast here is actually pretty stark. Traditional cloud-based AI is characterized by privacy concerns because your data literally leaves your device. It's plagued by latency since everything has to travel to a server and back. And let's be honest, it increasingly means expensive monthly paywalls. You're essentially just renting intelligence on someone else's computer. Linkspreed's local-first AI flips this entirely. It's secure, localized computing. It's instant because there's absolutely no round-trip data transfer, and the intelligence lives directly with you.
Which brings us to Section 2, the power of local AI.
So how exactly are they pulling this off? Well, at the heart of this release is a really specialized architecture. The system is actually powered by a custom-trained iteration of Google's Gemma model. The Linkspreed team took this incredible architecture and fine-tuned it specifically for their needs. And the real game changer here is that, unlike traditional AI interfaces, this fine-tuned model runs entirely within your web browser or right on your device's hardware. You don't need a massive server farm in another state to generate a response. Your own machine is doing all the heavy lifting right there in front of you.
What's also super cool is that Linkspreed isn't hiding how they built this. This model is completely transparent and open source. To foster collective intelligence and ensure verified security, they've made the model publicly available over on Hugging Face under their Web 4 organization. By hosting it there, they're actively inviting the global research community to audit their work, improve upon it, and adapt it. This ensures the platform is growing on a rock-solid foundation of transparency rather than corporate secrecy.
Moving right along to Section 3. 3 critical AI advantages.
And this brilliantly illustrates why running AI on your own hardware directly solves the biggest headaches of the modern web. Number 1, total privacy. Because the compute is localized, your data literally never leaves your machine. Your personal conversations stay absolutely personal. Number 2, zero latency. Without the need for a round-trip data transfer to some distant server, the AI responds with near instantaneous speed. And number 3, which is honestly a lifesaver for anyone who's tried working on spotty airplane Wi-Fi, offline capability. Your intelligent assistant keeps working even when your internet doesn't.
Next up, Section 4, democratizing intelligence for Web 4.
Okay, so now that we understand the impressive technical specs, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. To truly grasp Linkspreed's vision, we have to define what they're actually building toward, which is Web 4. This is a decentralized web standard, prioritizing free, local AI infrastructure over those subscription-heavy cloud models. Linkspreed isn't just releasing a single tool. They're trying to establish an entirely new standard. Providing this local infrastructure for free is a bold challenge to traditional Silicon Valley subscription models, heavily focused on securing the web and empowering you, the individual user.
There's this great quote from a Linkspreed spokesperson that really nails it. We believe that intelligence should be a utility, not a luxury. Take a second to let that sink in. It's a powerful ethical argument, right? Core digital intelligence, the ability to summarize, translate, write, and analyze, should not be hidden behind expensive paywalls that only a few can afford. By moving the compute from distant servers down to your personal device, they're aiming to make intelligence as accessible as the air we breathe online.
Let's move to Section 5 and see how this builds. The future of the internet.
The launch of this local AI is really just the beginning, and the coming months are packed with rapid development across the entire Web 4 ecosystem. In month 1, the focus is on context-aware browsing.
This means local models will help you summarize, translate, and organize information across any Web4-compatible site right in your browser. By month 3, they're targeting edge integration, ensuring seamless performance across both mobile and desktop devices without requiring some crazy expensive high-end GPU thanks to the sheer efficiency of their Gemma-based model. Finally, by month 6, they plan to drop developer SDKs. This means independent creators will be able to build their own decentralized apps utilizing those pre-trained weights hosted on Hugging Face.
So how can you get your hands on this? Well, you can experience the future of private, local AI today simply by visiting mlm.linkspreed.com. All it requires is a modern web browser, and you can start interacting with this Gemma-powered assistant immediately. No credit cards needed, and absolutely zero data harvesting. It is a completely frictionless, secure, and free way to test this local-first approach for yourself right now. Which brings us to the end of our explainer. But I want to leave you with one final provocative thought. With AI now living securely on your own device, what will you build with your newfound privacy? Linkspreed isn't just following a trend here. They are trying to reroute the entire trajectory of the internet toward a more private, decentralized, and intelligent future. The tools are now in your hands, running on your hardware, protecting your data. I highly encourage you to go to mlm.linkspreed.com and explore this paradigm shift for yourself. Thanks for joining me, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.